cosplayers and peeps, this is me Supriya Gautam and welcome back to Cosplay Genie powered by Non-Real Gaming. So if you're new here, hi, how you doing? And this is basically a cosplay channel where we only talk about cosplay makeup, DIY tips and tricks and many other things. So today we are going to be doing a cosplay look for the demon himself Sukuna from Jujutsu Kaisen. And this anime focuses on Itadori who eats a cursed object and is possessed by a demon himself Sukuna. Okay, let's just start the video. So before putting any makeup on directly on my skin, I will prepare my skin with a moisturizer. So next I'm going to put my base makeup on with this perfect white foundation. I'm going to apply it with this sponge. Always apply your base foundation in layers because when you put a large quantity of foundation at the same time, it will create a cakey look which doesn't look really good. So my base is ready. After this, I'm going to apply this concealer on my eyes. For a smooth application, I'm using this small sponge for a small area. So next, I am going to apply this white compact. Yes. Nose contour. This is basically to create more masculine look. Here as well. In the next step, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. As you can see, Sukuna has a very edgy eyebrow, so I'm just not going to leave any curves behind. We're not going to create a heavy look on the eyes, we'll more focus on the tattoos. So what I'm using right now here is my blush palette because I don't have a peach eyeshadow. Now I'm just going with this little darker shade. So basically I'm creating a halo look here. Darker shades at the corner of the eyes and I'm just going to add a lighter shade in the middle. Next I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. So my eyes are done, so now we're going to work on the tattoos. So if you're doing this look, so I would always recommend you to make a rough sketch or the pattern you're going to make on your face before application of any black thing. So I'm just gonna make a rough pattern over here and wherever the tattoo is. For that I am using this brown pencil. Now I'm just using this black eyeliner. And next I'm just gonna do my nose tattoo. My nose tattoo is done, and I'm just gonna do my cheeks tattoo over here. So I'm done with my tattoos. Now I'm just going to add this white face paint. And now I'm just going to add this red dot. Now I'm just gonna do this contouring because I feel like after doing this makeup I need to do more contouring to enhance the look and my jawline. So now I'm just going to add this highlighter to my eyes. So for this look I am going to create an ombre look for my lips. So I'm just going to apply red lipstick. Yes, this shade. I really like this shade. And then I'm gonna apply this red shade. And then cherry red shade. I did this because I wanted to mattify my lips. To complete this look, I'm just going to apply eyelashes. Yes, eyelashes. Finally, they are here. Okay guys, so I am done with my look and I am so happy with the results. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this cosplay look. As I don't have a wig, so I think I need to do something with my hair for the photo shoot, and I'm so excited for the photo shoot because I'm so happy how this makeup has turned out. So you can go and check out other videos that we have uploaded on our Cosplay Genie channel, and let me know in the comments down below what other cosplay looks or costume you want to see in my next video, and do hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.